Okay, so we have a quadrilateral inscribed in a circle ABCD with center O. Um, I will draw the diagram in a while. I don't just simply start drawing a diagram as soon as I find that a quadrilateral is inscribed. So I'll just look at the information that is given accordingly. I'll try to fit in the diagram. So if angle COD is 120 degrees, so CD is subtending an angle of 120 degree in the center, that is COD, and BAC is 30 degrees. Now ABCD is inscribed, so A should also be a point on the circumference of the quadrilateral. So BAC is basically the angle subtended by the BC arc on the circumference, so that is 30 degrees. Then the value of BCD is how much? Okay, so as soon as I know that BAC is subtending a 30 degree on the circumference, so I know that angle BOC, so BC arc subtending in the center should be 60 degree, right? I hope you know this property. This is a very useful property. I have derived it in our classes. I'm not going to derive it here. So you know that BOC is 60 degree and COD is 120 degree. So and the B and C, the BCD, I mean, if you check it in this way, B, C, and then C and D. So these are adjacent sides, right? So so I get a rough picture here. What I know is this BC and CD should be such that the BOC angle and the COD angle, so this is 60 and this is this is 120 degrees, the COD angle. So these two angles is actually adding up to 180 degrees, right? So basically this BD line is passing through the center, or in other words, the BD line is the diameter. Now, as soon as you know that the diameter always subtends a 90 degree on it, on the circumference. So effectively, this BCD angle is 90 degrees. Nothing to it. See, that is why I mentioned earlier that I don't always draw the figure as soon as I know the first information that we have. I'll just go through the information, all the information that we have, and try to relate them before drawing the diagram. That creates a bit of clarity in this question. So you have 90 degree as the answer here. So the answer you have to input is 90 only, because this is a theta question. So it already asking for in degrees. The answer you have to input is 90. So that's it for this question. If you understand these kind of things, it will not take more than 1.5 minutes to solve this. It should ideally take a minute or something, but then 1.5 minutes should be the ideal time to solve this question. So thank you.